Larson Electronics 75 kVA mobile power distribution system converts 3-phase 480-volt AC electrical current to 3-phase 208Y and 120-volt AC. This fully enclosed Nema 3R ventilated power distribution unit provides operators the ability to safely power their 480-volt, 208-volt, and 120-volt equipment from a single system. On the primary side, operators connect 3-phase 480-volt line-in power using a customer-provided cord into one 4100 R7W, three 460 R7W, and three L1630R receptacles for 480-volt equipment and a terminal block enclosure. On the secondary side, three L1530R and 12 L1430R receptacles for 208-volt equipment and four 520R GFCI receptacles for 120-volt equipment are available in the secondary side A. Secondary side B contains three 460R9W for 208-volt equipment, 9 CS6369 receptacles for 120 and 208-volt equipment, and a terminal block enclosure. All receptacles are mounted at a 45-degree downward angle. This unit is fully enclosed, Nema 3R ventilated, and designed for serious use and is ruggedly constructed to withstand demanding conditions and heavy-duty industrial applications. The breakers and receptacles are accessible via double doors. This model is equipped with center mount skid pockets at the base, 4 pick eyes, and a push and pull handle for mobility. The entire power distribution station can fit through standard doorways. This unit is built in accordance to NFPA 70 National Electric Code. All equipment is Nema 3R rated for indoor and outdoor use and provides a degree of protection against dirt, water, and ice. Nema 4 and Nema 4X equipment can be equipped upon request. The transformer is grounded to the frame and we provide a grounding lug on the frame for the earth ground. The dolly handle is completely removable. Simply remove the cotter pins from the bottom and the handle will slide out with ease. You can also store cords or accessories in the storage bays. We offer complete customization on these units. Contact us with your specifications and we'll build what you need. This power distribution system is ideal for indoor or outdoor use and applications including but not limited to construction sites, plant maintenance, plant turnarounds, shows, exhibits, and shipyard operations. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.